The shower curtain in our RV has been growing a gunga colony in the past year, and it has to be replaced. Because of an unfortunate quirk in the design, there's a part of the curtain that tends to collect water runoff here in this lip, and since it's quite difficult to dry, mold inevitably tends to build up here. A bit more on this problem later. To order a new one, I wrote this part number down, gave a phone call to Shower Enclosures of America, and for about $22 for the curtain and $30 for shipping, they sent me a new one, rolled up in a tube. To remove the old curtain, you first have to remove these fasteners at the top and bottom. Twist them all counterclockwise. This will break the curtain loose from the guide clips. I found that by putting a bit of pressure on the fasteners on one side using my thumb while pulling them out at an angle from the other side, they can be removed without breaking. If you do break them, it's not really a big deal, because the new shower curtain comes with a full new set of these fasteners with a few extras. The curtain can then be slid out of the channel that it's sitting in with an upward motion. As you pull the curtain out, you have to simultaneously fold it in on itself so that you have enough space to remove it. Little by little, the whole thing comes out. This is a great time to clean the tracks and recaulk the shower curtain door frame if needed. At this point, I was hoping I could do a genius 500 IQ move and just flip the new shower curtain around so that the lip that tends to collect water winds up on the outside of the shower rather than the inside, but alas, the spline is keyed, so the curtain can only be installed one way. Installing the new curtain is just like the removal process, but in reverse. Fold the curtain over the rod and slide the splines into the channels. A bit of incremental finagling later, and the curtain will be slid into place. Push the new clips in at an angle to prevent breakage, then orient them straight up and down. Insert each fastener to its corresponding guide clip and secure it by rotating it clockwise. And 8 fasteners later, the new shower curtain is installed. Before I close this video out, there's a few remarks I have about the mold problem. When I spoke with Shower Enclosures of America over the phone, they informed me that their engineers are currently working on a redesign of the curtain to make the stitching be on the other side. I assume that to mean that this water collecting lip is going to wind up being on the outside, which is great. I don't know when that'll be ready and how we'll even know given how basic their website is, but hopefully they'll make a public announcement. In the meantime, my wife and I have been closing the curtain when we're done showering, slapping the curtain to get some of the water to fly off, and running the bathroom fan to get the curtain to dry out. It remains to be seen if this strategy works out for us, and hopefully I won't have to come back to watch my own video. Until next time, thank you for watching.